Welcome this video. Woodwork is a versatile and prefer hobby that can create skill. The state feature of craft something with your owning hand. Whether you are a beginning look to dip your toe into the craft or an expand static sleep. See new idea that are rollers, woodwork project that sub even level and interior that gas various woodwork project often inspire and project type of your next entry. Beginning woodwork project for those new to woodwork stored with simple project help build convenient and hub basic skill. Here are some easy yard reward project to consider. The first of wood cloth is an excellent first project. Use a sand and paper and a price of hard wood like or marry. You can cut and smoke smart wick or add a finish to wood design to personal theme. Bird house. Bird build a bird house is an excellent classic burn project. It requires base tool like a scene hub and wood gum. You can keep the design simple or add decoration touch like or cover detail. Flow shape. Crochet are both functional and style. Use a pick of wood at seam you are create shade that appear to flow on the wall. Those are great of project cut and finish. Wood snob. Canvas, a wood snob introduce you can you to the art of wall well to both of soft wood, a cut knife and sandpaper. You can shade or simple yard useful kitchen tool. Intermediate wood project. 1. Your most basic technology. You can talk on more challenge. Project that request paper and a board run of tool. Coffee table. Build a coffee table in white wood. A long piece of wood and pallet. Join much like pick, hold on demo. Add functional like soft or draw for add functional. Photo frame craft a custom photo frame invoice cut and careful size use in roll to create decoration edge and experiment with stay or palette for a unique touch. Toolbox. A wood toolbox is a professional project that introducing journey technology. It can be customized with compartment of touch gardening, swig, or craft material. Box. Box is an excellent project to refine the scale in cut and access. You can add compartment of highlight and decoration for a popular published look. God's woodwork project for seasoning woodwork admin project provide an opportunity to showcase craftsmanship and create that project often innovation complete journey design and advanced tool. Dining table customization. A dining table is a reward challenge. This project design a soft base, a level surface, and a pair of draft finish. Technology like most and tone journey to bed board and add smoking. Wood clock craft a wood clock is an interior project that innovation designed to sub clock and create detail covered and innovation that is an excellent way to combine woodwork with other aesthetic scale. Wood cabin build a cabin request journey and careful you can incorporating shade and decoration elements like glass palette or canvas detail. Type of successful woodwork project. Choose the right word. Define project request. Define type of wood. Hardwood is decline basic hard of wood with while softwood is more of give but is less report. Start smart. Beginning with simple project and great talk on more complete one as your skill improve. Centrability woodwork. Centrability is an impossible consider is more woodwork